If you are looking for a VPN to improve your online privacy and security, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get IPSAFE VPN free for 30 days without entering your any payment detail. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had already created a video about how to get NordVPN for free trial. Here you can see 4 months ago. If you had not watched this video, then I will give this video link in this video I button and in video description also. So please watch that video if you want NordVPN free. So this video is especially created how to get IPSAFE VPN for a free, and this is the pricing page of IPSAFE VPN. Here you can see for 12-month plan $1.99 and 6 month $3.33 and for 1 month $4.99. So this is the pricing page of IPSAFE VPN, but don't worry, I will give you 30 days in a completely free without adding any card detail. So for that I have this magic link. By this link you will get 30 days completely free without any credit card or debit card. So just visit this link and click on this sign up now button. Now here you can see email and password. For the demo purpose I use Temmail. You can use your Hotmail, Outlook or Gmail or any email address. Then click on this sign up button. You can save the password in your Chrome profile. Here you can see now we need to verify our account. Go to your email address, then click on this verify account. Here you can see account verification is successfully completed. Now click on my account, and here you can see account detail, free trial, auto renewal no, and end date 2026 6/15. And you can also change the password from here, so don't worry. And go to this download page, and here you can see you can download for Windows, Android, Mac OS or iOS. So simply install in your device and use this VPN. And if you don't want to use this VPN and want to trial NordVPN private account, then visit this techpolestar.com. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.